You guys are weird.
Can you hold this, Grandma?
Okay, can we start the vlog?
Yeah, let's
I've got a hat. I've got a hat, guys. I've got a hat.
Oh, that one. That's mine.
hat full of chicks.
Bring one.
Hi, everybody.
What's good, ladies and gentlemen? What's good? What's good? What's good? We're back on the. We're back with another video. We're hanging out with the fam. See how I. Yeah,
Hi, guys.
That's magic.
My hat.
Magic hat, magic
We're
hat.
just hanging out with the nieces and nephews. My kids are here too, so we're just chilling,
We're trying, guys.
playing some games for the vlogs. So yeah, come and hang out with us.
And
Yeah.
subscribe to our channel to get more
Make sure
videos.
to like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
shush.
Need that, Rich. Yeah. So let's go.
Hey.
Okay, what are we doing? We're gonna do a race, relay race.
Relay, okay?
Okay, the two teams are Pingili and Ene.
Team one.
Te and Sarono. Yeah, put it down. Okay, everybody knows how it goes, so here we go. Okay, on your marks. Get set, go. Okay, that was totally wrong. Okay, what the hell are you guys doing? Hey, come back! You guys did it all wrong.
Yeah.
Idiots!
Bruh.
You guys all... Oh, gosh. Oi!
Hi.
And make sure to like and follow and turn on the notification bell.
And subscribe.
Ready? On your marks. Get set, go! And... Pingeli and Ene are the winners.
Can I see?
Bruh.
So loser. My teammate.
Hi, Lily. Lily.
6.5 hours later.
Where's our Lily? Have a good sleep?
No.
Bruh.
Behind here.
On your marks, get set, go! Melasau. This time, Sarona and Tewi.
They cheated. They pushed me. Replay.
No, what a liar.
Okay, last round. Who's going up there?
Me.
Okay,
Oh,
go.
no.
Us.
Yeah, you two go up.
Let's go out.
Te and Ellie go up. Ready? On your marks, get set, go! And there they go. Who's gonna be victorious?
Never come to me with empty hands.
Bingy Ellie and Ene win! Hey, hey, flee! Flee, fly! Flee, flow! Sylvester! Kumalala, Sylvester! Oh, no, Sylvester! Meeny, to sing. What?
Are you doing? What are you guys doing today?
Bro, where's your shirt? What
right
you got
here.
there?
Right here. We always have a t-shirt off.
Because
The
it's
island
hot in New Zealand.
Hey, Mimi.
Hey, tap. Hey, on the head.
Woo, woo, woo. Brr, woo. Hey, hey. Woo, choo. Hey. Pull up in the German. Cool up nervous. Don't get cover a circus. You never make it. Oh, pull up in the German. You do it nervous. Don't get cover a circus. You never make it.
No para.
Para. Para.
What are your faces?
Para in your face. Okay, so we're gonna play a game called translating English to Samoan, and we're gonna see how good these guys Samoan is.
And we're going to.
In the English.
fluent in this family.
We're going to small.
Okay, can you move back? Big Yeli.
Yes.
The rules. I'm gonna say something in English, whether it's a word or a sentence, and then you have to translate it into Samoan or Samoan. Alright. Okay, Big Yeli. Your word is lift.
Huh?
Lift.
Oh. Leafy.
Leafy. Okay, now put that word leafy into a sentence in Samoan.
And someone.
Yeah.
Ang safari, ang kangway lifi,
Okay, the next person. Ene. Ene, your word is banana. What's banana in Samoan? Fa'i. Now, say something in Samoan that has the word fa'i in it. You don't know? Ene.
I know. Potato. That's a dry.
Okay, what a joy, guys.
The next one
Okay,
is the
Sarona, your word is sandwich.
sandwich.
What's sandwich in Samoan?
Sandwich.
Sangwisi. Alright, now use the word sangwisi in the sentence in Samoan.
If you're fair, we I sandwich.
Hey, pause. Let's go. Let's go. Tia, your turn. Tia, your word is ka. Kavale. Yeah, now say something in Samoan with the word kavale in it.
5 hours later.
5 hours later.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, pass. Okay, we're back to Pingeli.
Yes.
Okay, Pingeli. I'm gonna give you a sentence and you have to find some more.
What the heck?
Okay?
Yeah.
My mother woke up very early and made my school lunch for school.
Wait, what?
My mum woke up very early and made my school lunch for school.
Lotina. Nala. Ala dungo. And then she made my life.
No, you failed. You can't say it in English. Okay, Ende, your turn. Ready, Ende? Are you ready? Bread. What's bread in Samoan?
Mana.
What's bread in Samoan, son?
Salamana.
Flower.
Sala just said
No, it's flour. Okay, Sarona's turn. Okay, Salonga. Okay, listen very carefully to your sentence, okay? I love my mum and dad very much.
So she gets the easiest one.
If you're fair, we lauti na malauti.
What's it?
How about no? How about just shush? Che, where are you?
Point.
No, because you said fia. Oh, yeah, okay, you get a point.
Yeah, she gets 2 points.
Okay, Che, ready? Mum, I'm going to school.
Mom, look at it.
Okay, I'll give you another one. Because this fat teddy bear over here. In the move. Okay, Che, your other sentence. Everybody get in the car now.
3 hours later.
Everybody get in the car.
Everybody go in the car later.
That was dry, mate.
I'll pass
Okay,
that.
you guys are failing this. Sarona's got all the points at the moment.
Yeah, okay. Dude, it's my turn now.
Okay, your turn. Ready?
My name is Fat Teddy Bear, and I come from Samoa.
My name is
Okay.
Squidward.
Ah, shut up.
My poor is her.
She- Yo.
These guys are.
Okay, now
Okay, ready, big.
my
Okay,
question.
okay.
Fat Teddy Bear.
Sit down because you look dark in the light. Sit down, sit down.
Well,
Sit
but
down.
I don't know
You look
some
dark. Okay, ready?
Yup.
Okay.
What?
Dad, get up. We have to get ready for church.
Salad! That's a big. Joking! I'm joking!
Dad, get up. We have to get ready for church.
Dad, ala nunga. Kami kami.
That's gonna pass.
Was that a pass? But did I get it?
No, that's a fail.
Me.
Sarona, Mom, get up. We have to get ready for church.
Mom, kudunga.
Say money.
Yo, get back. What's good?
I'm gonna give you 2 questions, okay?
Okay.
You gotta translate it in English.
Okay. What? In English or Samoan?
You gotta translate it in English. Alright? Translate it in Samoan.
Ah, you basket.
Mom and Dad, hurry, we're gonna become late to church. If we don't, we're gonna get in trouble from the pastor.
Tina matama o te tau na tato vave le lotu.
Ah!
Ne te ua o te nia tato whaifi au.
Guys, that was wrong. Like if that was wrong, and comment if that was right, and follow if that was kind of good, okay?
Bro, what are you doing, Jake?
I'm putting water some in the bottle. Look,
Where, is there a light here?
look, you're missing it. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Cool.
Yeah,
You
that's
already
tornado.
put it.
That's tornado number 1.
Good. So this is tornado number 2. And 1.
You have to fill it right up.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's enough. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Very good. Woo! Like, can you stop it?
Yeah. Pull up with a blanket. Movie time.
Alright,
We're watching a movie, guys.
we're watching a movie called what?
Free Willy.
It's about animals.
Oh yeah.
You don't have any popcorn because that's how someone's do it.
Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for that vlog. We're back home now. Everyone had a blast. Everyone had a good time. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know we haven't been posting up much, but yeah, we're gonna try and post up often now. So yeah, hopefully. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share to all your friends and all your families. And yeah, God bless. Stay safe. Peace. Say bye, Princess.
Yeah.
Bye to you.
Bye.
Peace. Bye, guys.